guys, it's Kelly. Whew. Man, we've had a wild week here in grad school. Yeah, very busy. But it's the end of the week. It's Sunday, so I'm caught up. I'm done for that. Tomorrow starts the new week, new hectic craziness. So today I figured, one, we need to clean the apartment again because it's a little crazy, and also I want to do some plant stuff. So that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, so I've been looking up ways to try to make my morning routines easier. So I've been looking into making pre-making a week's worth or a couple days worth of breakfast food. And I think I'm gonna make some type of egg and bacon, I don't know what it's called, but it's like a cake. And then I can cut it into little pieces, and then I have a little piece each day, and hopefully makes my life a little easier in the morning. So that's the first thing we're gonna do. Yeah, all right. Scratch that. First, we are going to clean the dishes we've been neglecting for a couple of days because we need them to cook. Yeah. Alright guys, so this is what breakfast looks like. It's just scrambled eggs and bacon thrown in a pan, put in the oven. And yeah, I'm going to cut it up into squares. And yeah, I'm going to have breakfast for the next couple of days. So that should make my mornings a lot easier. So I'm going to cut this up, separate it out, and eat. And I will see you when I'm ready to start some plant stuff. Alrighty. Alright guys, so breakfast is done, packed away for the week, or the next couple days anyway. And this is what we got going on. Not too bad. And we are going to start on these guys, because I've been kind of neglecting them. You can see there's a whole bunch of dead leaves. We gotta clean this up and move on to the next task. So yeah, I'll set you guys up and we'll do this together. All right. Alright guys, so they look better. This guy's a little bald, but we got a pile of dead leaves that fell off. We got a couple piles that maybe will propagate. We'll throw them in water, we'll see. And yeah, I left some of the yellow leaves. Whatever didn't want to just pull off, I left. The plant is still using up those nutrients, so that's fine. And yeah, so we got one thing done. Alright, feel better. What else are we gonna go through? Maybe, oh, this, I got some light fixtures I'm gonna set up, I think. And yeah, and then I guess we'll we'll jump to this. Maybe. I don't know. Actually, ooh, I need to water you. Alright, so we're gonna do that first before I look at any of the light fixtures. So, alright. I'll be back. Alright, so we have our pitcher of water. And we're just looking at what we got. See, this guy needs water. He's all droopy. Okay. Give you some water. And these guys have drainage holes, so whatever's excess, oops, we'll just pour out the bottom. Let's see. These guys look okay. This guy needs definitely some water. Give you a good sip. The fern probably needs some water. I'm gonna repot this. It's in a terracotta. And it was in the terracotta because I had it in a bigger pot that I was like bottom watering it. It was like in a permanent spot. So that's why that worked. But this guy needs water. Alright, we just gave everybody water. Now we are just checking on everybody. Oh, these poor little philodendrons. I'm killing them, guys. I'm killing them. I'm pretty sure this guy's dead. But I go to pull on it and he doesn't pull out, so I don't know. Maybe he just has to like completely die off and then he'll come back even stronger. Right? That's a thing. And this guy is still, I think, alive, but he's just ugly. It's okay. We can't all be supermodels, right? And then the pincushion is also alive. Probably looking the best out of everybody. But yeah, if anybody, I just have this glass of water back here to try to help some of these leaves unfurl better. I mean, I don't know. Philodendron heads, I need your help. I'm killing the babies. Help. Alright, the larger ones I do better with. I guess it's just the smaller ones. But we have some more philodendrons down here. These are all doing okay. This guy just watered. Then over here, the aluminum plant. Kick the bucket. I think that's it. This little peperomia thing, which is the same as this one, is dead, obviously. But this guy's also dying, so I don't know. I guess it just doesn't like it in my place. Alright, fine. I won't get you again. It's fine. It's cool. Then we have up here. Oh, I recently got this guy. Yeah, so he's cute. He's cute. And they're all doing okay. This guy is a Dieffenbachia root. And I actually had just thrown some succulents on top of it to see if they root. They didn't, but I've been told that the Dieffenbachia, the root ball, is pretty resilient, and as long as I don't rot it out by accident, which it's really dry, so it shouldn't, it will grow a new plant. So that's what we're doing with that. Just waiting. Alright, oh, look at this, guys. We have a new leaf. We have 2 new leaves. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's cool. That is awesome. I got that from a subscriber. She's awesome. And yeah, so we got these bigger guys doing well. The Sansevierias are still Sansevierias. Alright, so this is pretty much, I think, all we have to do over here. I think. For now, until I notice something else. But we're back to watering. You need some. You get a little drop. Sansevieria, I think you're okay. Maybe a little bit. A little peperomia, hope. You Dieffenbachia, I don't know if you're still alive in there. Go ahead. Some hope for you. We watered that guy recently. My Exotica, I probably just killed it. You probably need water. Yeah, you're dry. You get all set. This guy's always half dead, half alive. But I think he's okay. One of these days I'm going to have that plant be a big, lush plant. It's going to be trailing, and it'll be a real asparagus fern, I swear. But until then, this is what we got. Sansevierias do not need water, and I'm just going to water you back here because I know you need water. Alright. Now I think we are... Ooh, Nanook. I don't think I watered you. And you're finally starting to grow. Yay. About time. You guys always need water. String of turtles. Give you a little drop. Give you a little drop. Yeah, I think that is legit it for watering for today anyway. I'm probably forgetting something, but you know, yeah, it is what it is. On to the next task. Alright guys, so the last thing I'm going to do today is just kind of support these plants. You can see like they kind of wobble. I think this one wobbles a lot. And so I started this before recording because, you know, I forgot. But yeah, so I put 2 sticks just around them, and it kind of helps hold them in a spot. These guys I might have overwatered, which is why you see the yellowing leaves. But we're gonna let it rock. It'll be fine. So yeah, alrighty. I'll see you in a bit when I get both my hands free. Alright. Alright guys, so real quick, I'll show you an up close view. This is what we're going for. This is the goal, so that when I shake it around, because I'm bound to bump into things. I'm a big bitch, I bump into things. Yeah, it doesn't flop over and break the stem. So that is the goal. And I just got some sticks I got from Dollar Tree in a pack. Yeah, so I want my plants to stand up straight. So first I'm going to stand them up. Hope you can see that. And just shove it in there. And then I usually do a second one on the opposite side, just to see. Now it can't really wobble. It should be more steady, and hopefully we don't break any of the plants. See, like this guy, look how wobbly that guy is. I'm gonna hold him up, stab down. Oop, is that where I want it? Maybe like that. That's up more. And then on this side, see? Easy solution. This is a Prince of Orange that is struggling. Yeah, I'm still learning the philodendrons, but when he gets better, he'll have this little support, kind of. He doesn't probably need the sticks, but we're doing it to one, we're doing them to all. That's just what it is. Alright. And then we have this guy, who also is more rooted in, but as he gets bigger, he's gonna, you know, probably flop around or just need some more support, so. Alright. This is what we got going on here. Aren't they cute? Don't they look adorable? We'll put the prettiest ones in front. The other ones, they're here, but you know, they need some time. All right, so this is probably all I'm gonna do for today. Yeah, Monday is tomorrow, and back to the crazy. So, all right, until next time, relax, plant, and peace out.